So you must have heard this again and again and again from a lot of people that be positive to attract, to manifest good things in your life. How do you become positive? I'm sure you have that question, that how do you become positive? How do you make yourself available to start attracting, start manifesting? Today I'm going to share a hack with you, which is hack to attract anything in your life, to attract health, relationship, career and money. This is one technique which you can do it anywhere, anytime. It can actually help you become positive at any point of time, immediately. You don't need to close your eyes. You don't need to do anything other than just do it. Okay? Ready? Hi, my name is Indu Khatri. I and Mitesh Khatri, we are Law of Attraction coaches and author of this book, The Law of Attraction. We are also a heavy practitioner of Ho'oponopono. As you must have heard Mitesh saying, I'm a Ho'oponopono queen. I propagate Ho'oponopono all the time. It's like solution for everything. Yes, today we are going to talk about Ho'oponopono. What is Ho'oponopono? Ho'oponopono is a Hawaiian prayer. It's okay if you can't pronounce. Don't worry about it. Ho'oponopono pronunciation जरूरी नहीं है. इसके आगे का prayer ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. Let's focus on that. It was made famous by Dr. Hugh Len. He was a psychiatrist doctor. He was in charge of one mental asylum where he actually dealt with really critical patients who were very bad in their mental state. They used to actually harm themselves, forget others. And this doctor actually healed them and released them from the mental asylum. And the mental asylum was eventually closed. What is this technique? What did he actually do? He did not meet them. He did not give them any medicines. He did not actually do any treatments with them. He just did this one technique called Ho'oponopono. Every day, he used to just take their files, sit with their files. For every file, he used to just chant this prayer called Ho'oponopono. What is the prayer? Prayer is simple. It has only simple 4 sentences. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. He used to just sit there with one file. He would chant that I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you for a few times, maybe 108 times. And then he would keep the file aside. Then he would do it for the second file and so on so forth. Likewise, he did it for a few days and very soon he started seeing a big shift in these people, in their mind, in their health. And they started becoming sober and eventually the day came when they actually got cured completely and doctor released them and they are now living very nice normal life. How do you use this? How do you do it? Very simple. You just chant, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. What is the science behind it? So it is not a hocus pocus. It's a scientific technique. The science is very simple. You attracted it, so you manifested it. In your presence this happened, so that means you manifested it. And you can actually clean your energy and remove this manifestation and change your manifestation. By doing I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, you're actually taking 100% responsibility of this situation or this manifestation. And you are saying I'm sorry, I manifested it. Please forgive me that I got this experience. Thank you so much for coming in my life and teaching me a lesson, and I love you for this. The moment you do this, you are actually clearing the energy around you. You're taking the responsibility of the situation. You're not blaming the situation. You're not blaming the world. You're taking the responsibility and you are saying you are now ready to change. The moment you do that, it changes and your energy starts shifting. So now you understood the science. I'm going to take the examples of health, relationship, career and money for sure. But before that, let me invite you for my free session on Ho'oponopono. Mitesh conducts a Ho'oponopono Healer Certification Program. And the first lesson of that entire program is the most powerful session of Ho'oponopono Healer Certification. And today I'm giving you that lesson absolutely free. The link is in the description. Just register and join. You will come back and say thank you to me for attending that session. Concept is very clear. You take 100% responsibility of the situation. Simple. Don't blame, don't say magar, but no. You take 100% responsibility and chant and see the shift happening. Let's say you have a small health challenge, very small. Say I have this hand going on right now. I managed to break it. I put my hand on this hand and I say, I'm sorry my hand, I manifested this situation. Please forgive me for being so reckless with my hand. Thank you so much for coming in my life, this challenge, bringing this challenge in my life and teaching me how important this hand is. I love you, my hand. I say this, and I don't have to necessarily say all sentences. I just say, I take 100% responsibility of my hand. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I keep doing this. I do it every day, and I'm seeing there is a big shift in my hand, and my hand's health is improving. And I am perfectly getting all right with my hand. You can do this with your headache, you can do it with your knee pain, you can do it with your heartbeat, you can do it with any health challenge you may have. Now let's take the example of relationship. Say, cancel. Say I had a conflict with Mitesh for any reason. Say हम दोनों का छोटा मोटा बहस हो गया. And say he walked out of the house for some reason, or he is not talking to me for say next 10 minutes. I don't have to do anything. I just visualize Mitesh and I say, I take 100% responsibility of this situation. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'll give you a live example. Recently, I had a challenge with a friend of mine, and I ended up saying something to her and she got upset about it. And I didn't know how to take care of this. I thought, okay, let me do hope no. So I just did this. I take 100% responsibility of this situation. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I chanted this for nice 3 days, and then I saw a shift in her happening. And she started slowly talking to me. And then eventually I got her call as well. So you can do that for relationship, any relationship. You can do it for mother-in-law also. You can do it for husband. You can do it for wife. You can do it for kids. You can do it for your bosses. You can do it for your subordinates. You can do it for anybody. Now let's take the example of career. You can do it for job. Let's say you're going for an interview. Simple. While going for an interview, just keep chanting, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. When you are giving interview also, in your mind you can chant. When you come out of the interview, then also you can chant and see what happens. Let's take the example of money. Favorite, sabka. For money, you can do this. I'm sorry, money, please forgive me, money, thank you, money, I love you, money. You can do this 108 times every day. And within 11 days, you will see your money frequency shifting. मैं रोज करती हूँ. Every day I do 108 times. And my money frequency, I think everybody knows, is fantastic. So you can do that. Start doing it. I'm sorry, money. Please forgive me, money. Thank you, money. I love you, money. When you do this, you are actually cleaning your energy. You are actually taking responsibility of your money situation. And you are cleaning your energy around money, and money starts flowing to you. Try this out for 11 days and see the results.